Wicked Water here with a quick send-in proof video for Daniel S. Daniel, this is the console that you send in for service. It is a Trinity motherboard. We RGH it using the Matrix V1 and the Muffin CR4 install method. We did the red custom LEDs in the front, so the console's not errored here. It's just been replaced with red LEDs per your request. You can see a pretty nice fast boot time there. There's a disk inside the sleeve here that's got backup copies of all your files and such. And as you'll see here, the console is going to start up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash are all preloaded on the console as well. So feel free to check those out. Check out the video links that come in your final confirmation email. That's the email that has your tracking number in it that comes from me. As there's a playlist in there that's got tons of info. It's super useful on what you can do with the RGH, as well as a little video by me to help you out with navigation issues when you get started. So we definitely appreciate your business. This console actually arrived yesterday. Finished it up mostly last night. Polished it off and put it back together today. And it'll be on its way returning out to you tomorrow. So nice quick turnaround time. Really hope you enjoy the console, and thanks again for your business.